Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be walking you through how to find the area of a composite shape from an Edexcel GCSE Maths higher paper. So each side of an octagon has side length of A. Find the area of the shaded shape in the form P, open brackets 2 plus root 2, close brackets A squared. Okay, so let's just make this question slightly more simple. Let's split this shaded shape up into this square. And then these four identical triangles now, because they're identical, we only need to find the area of one and then just multiply it by 4. So let's write that down so we don't forget anything. So total area equals our square plus 4 triangles. Okay, so then we know that all of these are our length A's, but we don't know what this length here is, so we're going to need that for the area of the square. Let's just for now call that X here. And then for the area of the triangle, yes, it may look like a 90 degrees triangle, but we just want to show that it definitely is. We can't be assuming none of this. So we know that these are also A here. So let's start off with the triangle and all these angles, so then we can then find our X. So if we find this angle here, we can then find this angle and show that it is definitely a 90 degrees angle. So some of you may already know this angle off by heart, but if not, that's okay, we're going to find it out. So we use n minus 2 multiplied by 180, where n is the number of sides that the shape has, so in this case that's 8. So 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180 is 1080 degrees. Now that's the total of the angles in an octagon. So to find this single one here, we're going to do our 1080 divided by 8, which gives us 135 degrees. So now this is 135 degrees, and now that we know that, we can find this is 45 degrees, since angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus your 135 does give you your 45 degrees here. This is also 45 degrees, as they're all identical. So this is in fact your right angle triangle. All your angles add up to 180 degrees in the triangle, so definitely right angle here. Now that we know this is definitely right angle triangle, we can use this to find out what our X is. So let's just draw our triangle out here, just to keep it a bit clearer. So X here, we've got our A's from the sides of the octagon. So right angle triangles, lovely, we can use by Pythagoras. So by Pythagoras, a squared equals b squared plus c squared. So our a squared is our hypotenuse squared, so that's our x squared, equals your a squared plus a squared. So x squared equals 2a squared. This gives us x equals your square root 2a squared, which tidies up to root 2a. So lovely. We can now use this to work out the area of the square. So let's do that. Area of square. So let's just draw this out. We're going to have our A, our X, and our A. So this gives our full length, using our X equals root 2a, to be 2a plus root 2a. So your area of your square is going to be 2a plus root 2a squared. Now I like to write this out the long way, so let's rewrite this out. So the area is going to be 2a multiplied by 2a, 4a squared, plus 2a multiplied by root 2a, which gives us 2 root 2a squared. So these two multiplied together also give us 2 root 2a squared, and this multiplied by this will give us 2a squared. So let's collect the like terms. This gives us 6a squared plus 4 root 2a squared. So now we have the area of square. We now need to find the area of the triangle. So now the triangle is 90 degrees, so right angle triangle. So it's just going to be base times height, which in this case they're both a. So the area of the triangle equals half a multiplied by a, so half a squared. So now that we know the area of the triangle, the area of the square, we can go back to this up here and find out the total area. So this is going to be 6a squared plus 4 root 2a squared plus 4, remember, 4 of these, half a squared. So collect like terms. 6a squared plus 4 multiplied by half a squared gives you 8a squared plus your 4 root 2a squared. So now, yeah, we found the area of the star sort of shape. However, we need to remember that the question actually requires us to put it in a particular form. So as you can see, we've got our 2 plus root 2 inside the bracket, so we're going to have to factor this out. So we factor out the 4 to get our 2a squared plus root 2a squared, and now we can get our 2 plus root 2 and then take out your a squared to get in the form required, where p is 4. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Goodbye.